Upgrading your patio door is one of the most impactful improvements you can make to your home. A new patio door enhances natural light, improves energy efficiency, strengthens security, and creates a seamless connection between your indoor and outdoor spaces. If you're planning patio door installation in Washington, knowing what to expect can help you feel confident and prepared throughout the process. Here's a customer-focused look at what homeowners can anticipate before, during, and after installation. Choosing the right patio door style. The process begins with selecting the right patio door for your home. Popular options include sliding glass doors, French patio doors, and multi-panel or bifold designs. Sliding doors are ideal for saving space and offering expansive glass views. French doors provide a more classic, elegant appearance. Larger multi-panel systems create a dramatic opening and maximize indoor-outdoor living. In Washington, where seasonal weather changes can be significant, energy efficiency and durability are especially important. Look for features like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames to improve year-round comfort. A professional consultation helps ensure you choose a door style that fits your home's layout, aesthetic, and performance needs. Accurate measurements and preparation. Once you've selected your patio door, precise measurements are essential. Professional installers carefully measure the existing opening to ensure a perfect fit. Even small measurement errors can lead to air leaks, water intrusion, or operational issues. Before installation day, you'll want to clear the area around the existing door. Moving furniture, window treatments, and decor ensures the crew can work safely and efficiently. Professional teams typically take steps to protect your flooring and surrounding surfaces, minimizing dust and disruption during the process. Removal of the existing door on installation day. The old patio door is carefully removed. This step involves detaching the door panels, frame, and any surrounding trim. Experienced installers work methodically to avoid damage to the surrounding structure. Once the old unit is removed, the opening is inspected for any signs of moisture damage, rot, or structural concerns. Addressing these issues before installing the new door ensures long-term performance and prevents future problems. Professional installation and sealing. The new patio door is then positioned and secured within the opening. Proper leveling and alignment are critical to ensure smooth operation. Installers use shims, fasteners, and weatherproofing materials to create a tight, secure fit. High-quality sealing and insulation around the frame help prevent drafts and water infiltration, especially important in Washington's varying weather conditions. Once installed, the door is tested to ensure it opens, closes, and locks smoothly. Adjustments are made as needed to guarantee optimal performance. Improved comfort and efficiency. After installation, homeowners often notice immediate benefits. Modern patio doors allow more natural light to brighten interior spaces while maintaining strong insulation. Energy-efficient glass helps regulate indoor temperatures, reducing heat loss in cooler months and limiting heat gain during warmer periods. This can contribute to lower energy bills and a more comfortable home year-round. Enhanced security and peace of mind. New patio doors also offer improved security features, such as multi-point locking systems and reinforced frames. These upgrades provide added peace of mind for Washington homeowners. Professional installation ensures that locks align properly and that the door closes securely, reducing vulnerabilities. Minimal disruption. Lasting results. Most patio door installations can be completed in a single day, depending on the complexity of the project. While there may be some noise and temporary inconvenience, experienced crews work efficiently to minimize disruption. Once complete, you're left with a beautifully installed patio door that enhances both function and appearance. A smart investment for Washington Homes. Patio door installation is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment in comfort, efficiency, and home value. By understanding what to expect and working with skilled professionals, you can enjoy a smooth process and long-lasting results. For homeowners in Washington, a new patio door creates a brighter, more inviting living space while strengthening your home's performance in every season.